Are you preparing for the AP exams? The journey to success can be challenging, but you don't have to walk it alone. At Mitra Institute of Education, our specialized one-on-one virtual tutoring is led exclusively by PhD holders with significant teaching experience. Our mentors have spent decades mastering their subjects and have a deep understanding of the AP curriculum. Whether you're tackling calculus, mastering chemistry, or exploring U.S. history, our tutors provide expert guidance tailored to your unique needs. They don't just teach, they inspire, helping you think critically, solve problems, and excel on your exams. Our approach is simple: personalized learning plans, continuous support, and a commitment to your success. We know that every student learns differently, which is why we customize our sessions to fit your learning style. With over 20 years of experience in education, our PhD experts are here to help you reach your highest potential on the AP exams. Success is within your reach. Enroll today and take the first step toward conquering your AP exams.